Exciting! You're moving. You'll want to stay connected to fast, reliable fibre broadband at your new home. We recommend planning 3 weeks ahead of your move-in date so you can enjoy fast, reliable broadband as soon as possible. Take the following 3 steps to stay connected. 1. Check if fibre is available. 2. Pack up your broadband equipment. 3. Plug in your modem at the new property. Step 1. Check if fibre is available. Search your new address on our website. This will tell you if our fibre network is available at your new property. If it's available and already installed, great! All you need to do is contact your internet service provider 3 weeks ahead of your move-in date and let them know you want fibre broadband at your new home. If fibre is available at your new address but not yet installed, we'll need to bring fibre from the boundary of your property and into your home. We have lots of information on our website to talk you through the installation process. You can still go ahead and order fibre broadband at your new home through your internet service provider. The installation itself will need to occur once you own and have access to the property. If you're renting at your new home, we will require consent from your new landlord or an authorised agent. Again, you can still place your order with your internet provider and get consent in the background. You can find more info on our website. Step 2. Pack up your broadband equipment. It's important that you leave some equipment behind. The optical network terminal, or ONT box and its power adapter, doesn't need to come with you. This is the small white or black box on the wall that your modem plugs into. We own this box and we'll use it to connect the next residents in the home, so please leave it plugged in. You can take your internet service provider modem with you. If you're unsure what to take and leave behind, check our website for more information on equipment. If you're having fibre installed, our crew will bring an ONT box for you. If fibre is already installed at your new home, there will be an ONT box there. Step 3. Plug in your modem at the new property. It's move-in day at your new home. If you move into your new house and find there is equipment missing, no worries. Let your internet service provider know and together we'll get the right equipment to you. If your fibre has been installed and we've activated your connection, you can plug in your modem and enjoy your new fibre connection. Remember to plan ahead and you'll be all set and ready to enjoy fast, reliable fibre broadband in your new home.